Hello, this is we're unboxing the July 2018 surprise from Smile Create Repeat. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, we got our Smile Create Repeat pencil, so we know where we're getting these awesome supplies. This cool Pentel hi-polymer eraser. I love these white erasers. They just erase very clean. They're smooth. They don't really rip the paper, unless you, of course, push too hard. But even I've pushed very hard on a lot of paper, and it works great. We have our SCR postcards with just some great artwork. We have our cool new Think Inside the Box Smile Create Repeat sticker, which is nice. Jeez. Yeah, we'll leave that there. We'll leave those there for you. And we have, oh wow, it's animation paper it looks like. We have our creative card, which tells you about all the supplies that come in the box. So that's good, and a little bit why we got them. And then we have this great demonstration inspiration on the back, showing you what you can do with these supplies and how I use them to create this illustration. This is just pointers. You can also, of course, watch the demonstration video. You go right to our YouTube channel. Full length gives you all the tips and all the mistakes I make when I'm doing it and how I fix them or work around them. All right, so we have our, I'm guessing, our animation paper. I just thought that'd be neat to try. It's lightweight, but it's really smooth, and I really enjoy drawing on it. Just the texture and everything about it. We have our Kimberly 8H pencil. It's a very hard pencil. So that would be very light lines, no matter what pressure you're using. Oh, we have a Tombow Mono pencil, also one of my favorites. This is a 2B, so that's a much softer graphite, and we put those two together so you could really see the difference when you're using them and then which one you like better. So the 2B would be much less pressure and you get a dark line, and then if you really push hard you're going to get a very nice dark line. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh yeah, I remember this stuff's great. We have a container of blue lead for a mechanical pencil, which you'll see. Let me get this here. And then we have our mechanical pencil right here, and it's the Twist Erase Pentel. It's got the nice metal tip here, just for more durability. You got the cushy grip, nice metal clip, and it's a click pencil. So it comes with gray lead, gray graphite, and we have the blue included just because that's cool. And then this one has this nice eraser which twists out, and it's a nice big one. A lot of mechanical pencils have tiny little erasers, but this one has a nice big one. So that's the great box this month, and this is the artwork that I created with it, so you can learn how I did it and how you can make your own. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like what you saw, and if you want to join us, go to smilecreaterepeat.com and we can get you a box. You have a great month.